Hi everyone, welcome back to How to Log In. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Merrick Bank account online using your desktop. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button and also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Start by opening up a web browser. In the address bar at the top of the screen, type in www.merrickbank.com and press enter. You'll end up in the official website of Merrick Bank, which looks like this. You'll be able to see a customer login portal right at the home page of Merrick Bank. Click on the drop down in order to select the area from where you'd like to log into your account and choose one of the options from the display. Now, enter your username or your email that you have registered for your online banking account. Head over to the next field and type in your password. Make sure to type in the correct credentials while logging into your account. If you'd like to double check, click on this eye icon in the right corner so that it will help you reveal your password, which will make it easier for you to double check. If you'd like the system to remember your username, click on Remember Me box right beneath, and next time you log into your account, you won't have to type in your username. But if you're using a public device or a shared device, make sure to uncheck this box. In case you've forgotten your username or your password, click on the Forgot Username or Password link right below and follow the instructions to either look for your username or to reset your password to a new one. If you've not enrolled for online banking for Merrick Bank, click on Not Enrolled Sign Up Now link at the bottom and follow the instructions. After typing in all the credentials, click on the login button and you'll be logged into Merrick Bank account in no time. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.